Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD Microfinishing Loose Powder. I just recently bought this from Ulta. Excuse my cat, he's currently crazy running around my room. Now before we jump into this video, be sure to subscribe down below and leave me a like, a thumbs up, and a comment, and let me know any other videos that you guys want to see from me and some new video requests because I really want to keep this channel new and spicy for you guys. Alright, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. Alright, so I'm gonna first unbox this, which I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it whenever I bought it, but I didn't use it. I only put a little bit on my hand. So this is the powder from Makeup Forever right here. I know it was around $20, and I don't think that this is the full size. I think this is one of their mini sizes that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys right here. It did have a little sifter thing right here. It had like a little plastic cover, but I already took it off because I wanted to try it. However, I did not try it on my face like I said. You get a lot of product in here, and the best part about the sifter is that it's like a mesh material. So it's like the powder will sit on top, but it won't go over exploding. Oh my god, bunny! Too much powder won't come out of here, which is the great thing about it, because I hate whenever you have like a translucent loose setting powder or any type of loose setting powder and it doesn't have a sifter and it kind of just gets everywhere and you have to go back and you have to like clean it up and stuff. I'm really not a fan of that, so I actually appreciate the fact that it has like a little holding situation right here so you can't really go overboard. One thing that I want to make very clear is that I don't use powder anymore. I literally stopped using powder in my makeup routine altogether. I only use liquids and cream products, and I stopped using setting powder, stopped using under eye powder, I stopped using any facial powder just because I feel like it really made my skin look dry, makes my skin look cakey, and I feel like it really ages me. And as I wear my makeup longer and longer throughout the day, my makeup just does not look natural at all. So it's like, okay, I'm done with powder. Let's try not using any powder in my makeup anymore. And I actually love my makeup routine lately because it has no powder in it. So my skin is always looking hydrated, dewy, youthful, and just super healthy. My biggest goal in this review is to use this powder and have it not look super cakey on my face. I really want it to look natural, as if I'm not wearing any powder, but I still want the smoothing effect. Okay, so first of all, I'm already wearing a little bit of makeup and concealer, as you guys can tell. Just for the purposes of this review, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer, just a teeny tiny bit more, just so that way I can really see how this product works with freshly applied makeup and makeup that's already been on my face. Quickly blend it out with my little Eco Tools beauty sponge. This is my favorite sponge of all time. You guys, I literally used to use the beauty blender. I use the Tati Beauty Blendiful. I use Real Techniques beauty sponges, but this Real Techniques, I keep calling it Real Techniques. This Eco Tools beauty sponge is my favorite for such a good reason. I feel like it's just like the perfect shape and stuff like that. So I might go in and use this beauty sponge to actually put on my powder. Okay, so there we go. My concealer is on. It is put on my face. For the left side of my face, I'm going to use this Real Techniques setting brush. I think this is a setting brush. This is a great brush from Real Techniques, you guys. It works great for under the eye setting. It works great for highlighting, even contouring. Whatever your vibe is, this is a definite must-have brush from Real Techniques, and it's super affordable but very high quality. So as I said, I'm going to take a little bit of this powder. Oh god, his tail! Bunny, can I help you? So as I was saying, I'm gonna take just a little bit of the setting powder right here, and I'm gonna take off any excess powder, and I'm going to lightly go underneath of my eyes. So what do you guys think? I feel like it looks super natural on my under eyes. It looks like I really didn't apply any powder. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. And I will say that immediately I am seeing a clear, visible smoothing effect underneath of my eyes where I place this powder. So I'm gonna kind of bring it down here a little bit towards my T-zone, just a tad, because I really want to see if it does smooth out on my skin. Okay, so left side is where I put the powder, right here in this general area, this small little area right here. And I have to say that my skin looks so smooth. It looks like I said, it looks like I didn't really apply any powder. So now for my right side, I'm gonna apply this powder with my Eco Tools beauty sponge. And quickly before I do that, I just want you guys to notice, and I want to quickly point out that this right side of my face where I put no powder looks hydrated, and it looks really dewy, especially in my T-zone and in my under eye area, which I love the look of that because it shows youthfulness, shows really young skin and really healthy skin. So I want to see if it will give me the same smoothing effect with a sponge. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit right here, and then I'm going to just go under my eyes. It worked. It smoothed out my under eyes like nobody's business, girl. Hello. I'm in love with this powder, you guys. It looks exactly the same on both sides, both with a brush and with a sponge. And I'm looking in my mirror and I can see no difference. It looks super smooth. It looks super flawless and really airbrushed. So since I am on the more oily combination skin of the skin type side, I do notice that my forehead has a little bit of shine right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the brush again and I'm going to dip it into right here. And I have to say, I really appreciate the fact that they have this little sifter to collect all the product, because I notice that whenever I go in, there is some powder that is getting dispersed. However, it gets cleaned up so easily. So I'm just gonna go ahead and very lightly go on my forehead. I see like such a difference already. I'm like, it's just such a nice natural powder, and the fact that it's a loose powder is just like wowing me right now, because usually loose translucent setting powders or loose powders in general are really thick and they really mattify your face. But with this one, I'm noticing a total smoothness underneath of my eyes. I don't really know if it picks it up on camera as well as it does in the mirror, but I will say that my skin looks so beautiful and it looks totally flawless and airbrushed, almost like I have on like a real life filter underneath of my eyes. You know, a little bit more concealer on my chin and on my upper lip area, because I want to get the coverage on my face, but I also want to set the powder. And if I can use this powder over my face on my no makeup days where I do really quick, easy, natural, effortless, everyday makeup, which I normally don't use powder for, and this still gives me that flawless airbrush smoothing effect, then I'm gonna be really happy, and this might become my new everyday powder. Now I'm gonna go in with the same brush and just dip it like so and work its magic. I have to say that I'm so pleasantly surprised with this powder, you guys. It really did set my makeup. It set my makeup in place. It did not add on any extra layer of cakiness or extra coverage. My skin does not look dry, and I did go in with a pretty liberal amount on my face. As you guys saw, I put on just a little bit at first and then I started building it up all over my face. Even under my eyes, I am noticing that my creasing has completely been reduced compared to if I put on my concealer and I did not set it with a powder. On my mouth area, you guys saw that I did apply extra concealer, and I did go over here on the sides of my mouth where I do have my smile laugh lines right here. And I do have to say that the powder did not set into those fine lines. It does not make me look cakey whatsoever, and I'm so impressed with this Makeup Forever powder. This is a very great powder for all of my girls who love to do natural everyday makeup and they still want that dewy, hydrated, youthful skin looking type deal, just like I do. So my main goal with this product, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, was I wanted something that I can wear every single day, that I can wear on my natural everyday makeup looks, that does not look like I'm wearing any powder, but it's still giving me that smoothing effect whilst also setting my makeup. And I feel like it really did the job so great. I'm gonna put on a little bit of lip balm because your girl is not wearing anything on her lips. It's so weird. This is the Winky Lux Flower Balm. This is their confetti lip balm right here. I did film a review of this bad boy on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I will link it right above for you guys to see it. Okay, first impressions. I'm in love with this powder. I give it a 10 out of 10. Actually, no, scratch that. I give this a 20 out of 10 because it completely exceeded my expectations, and I really just feel like my makeup looks so natural and it looks so smooth. I keep saying the word smooth because every woman wants their makeup to look so freaking natural and so smooth and just so effortless and flawless, and I'm absolutely getting all of those results from this powder. So this girl came and she did her job. She clocked in and she clocked out, baby. She did her job, and I'm giving her a 20 out of 10. Okay guys, so that is it for this review. I'm absolutely obsessed and I'm in love with this powder, and you guys will definitely be seeing me use this a lot more in my makeup videos. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know what other types of products that you guys want me to review and film for my channel. Thank you all for supporting me so much this year. I'm so blessed to have this platform and to have such amazing subscribers and an amazing audience. Without any further ado, I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye guys.